Welcome back, YouTube gang. Figured let Cuddy start the vlog. What's happening, Cuddy? Yep, he says we're almost done with this piece of crap. Thank God. Oh. Alright, we got it down on the ground. I wanted to take the body kit off of it when I set it down. That way the wheels didn't come up and crack nothing, because I didn't know where everything was exactly going to set. Getting ready to do a fuel pump change. So I'm getting ready to vacuum that out and put the Walbro in it out of that car. Yes, I'm taking a BMW Walbro 255 and putting it in a Nissan. Walbro is a universal, guys. You can make them work. You have to make them work. They're a certain size. It's not going to be a certain size Walbro for every single car. Walbro 255 is one size. What's up, buddy? You want me to move? You're trying to herd me. Taps me on the leg. Wants me to move. Oh, that's the herding instinct in the healer. Oh, anyhow, fitment is pretty good. No, we got about as much sticking out the front as we do the back. The front's got a little less spacer on it. The back's a little wider, but it's looking good. Car's running and starting like a dream. I mean, it idles, it holds idle, it revs smooth. We got the PSI set right at what RSMC told us to do. We got it set at 43 PSI with no vacuum installed. First I thought 43 PSI with vacuum, because he never differentiated, never said, basically. So I was like, all right, with, and I asked him, and he's like, nope, that's without. Should be like 36, 37, mid to high 30s with vacuum on. And that seems about right to me. And she is running fabuloso. So me and Cuddy are getting to it today. We're going to do this fuel pump. I'm about to freak him out and start up engine saving shop vac. Oh, thank God for this thing. Yeah, you're not going to like this, Cuddy. This part sucks. It's noisy. It's loud. Yeah, it's scary, right? Pups think everything is scary. Hey, don't be scared. It's okay. It's okay. Yep, he's fucking out of here. Nope for him. Well, what I like to do before I do any fuel pump work, I like to vacuum up around these old fuel pumps, especially if they haven't been opened in a while, because if you don't, you'll end up with a bunch of bullshit down in your fuel for your fuel filter. Try to filter out at a later date, and we not want that. No, that'd be bad. All done, buddy. We all done, buddy. We can put the monster back. It's not a monster. This is an engine saving machine right here. Anybody ever gets hydro locked, go get you a steel shop vac or something with as much power as a steel shop vac. Hook that sumbitch right up to your intake port hole that you suspect was leaking. Do them all. I mean, just do them all. Especially if you got a 4 or 6, and I mean, it's just as easy. Do them all. Pop off all the injectors, butt that baby right up against, get a good sight seal, and suck the fuel out of the cylinder. Or you can even put a little extension on it, like I did too. I also done this before to grab stuff that I've dropped inside the engine. I've actually like put a hose on it, like another hose. Like, let me give you an example. Okay, so I would hook this hose to it and tape it all up where it seals, and then I'd put a shorter hose, like a boost line hose, and tape it to that hose and just keep reducing it and reducing it, and before you know it, you got a little tube that you can stick down through intakes and manifolds and anything you want to grab parts that you might have lost in the engine. And 90% of the time, that suction is going to suck it, and then when you hear it, woo, you know you got something. Pull her in like a fish. Hope for the best. No, that's what I do at least. And if that don't work, then I start taking shit apart. But in this case, we was able to save the motor. But that was my last video. Now we're taking the fuel pump out, getting it ready. Me and Cuddy's gonna get it done. I got 2 fuel pumps, I guess, to take out, 1 to put in. Wish me luck. Peace out.